Yes, my name is RONALD. I is teacher. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about word processing or electronic word processing. To begin with, let's first understand about word processing. First, the use of computer software to create and format text-based documents such as letters, reports, memos, newsletters, and applications, where we use tools like Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, and Google Documents, which help users to improve document quality, readability, and presentation. So, furthermore, we need to know how to format and edit a Word document. In this section, we need to know how to create, format, and edit a text document using word processing software, such as Microsoft Word, Google Documents, and LibreOffice Writer. Right now, let's use Microsoft Word. How to create edit a Word document. Formatting, file name, and I will click to open. I'm not right here. There are some skills that we need to know, which will help us improve the document presentation and readability, correct spelling, grammar errors, make documents easier to print, share or publish, prepare learners for academic and workplace documentation tasks, and ensure clarity and professionalism. So, as any student wants to prepare an assignment, may use the formatting features like bold, headings, bullet points, and justified alignment to make the work organized and reader friendly. So we have what we call font type. Font type is found here on the home button under the font dialog box, whereby this font type and size, the font type is here. We have New Times New Roman and other font types. Then we have the font size. For example, here I write information and the communications technology. Then I want to change its font style and font size. I first highlight, press Shift and Arrow key. Then I click on this font type. I choose the Roman as. Then I go to font size. I change the size as you can see there up to 16. So the purpose of font type and font size is to set the appearance and readability of the text. For example, I've used Times New Roman as the font type. Then I have used the font size 16 as the font size. So when I continue with another feature, we have what we call text alignment. Text alignment means directing of text. For instance, when I need to put this word middle. I can press Ctrl E to center it, or Ctrl L to align it to left, or Ctrl R to align it right. If not, you go to Home button, you go to Paragraph dialog box. You see here there is align text left, there is center, that is Ctrl E, and there is align right. Then there is justify, balancing your text. It's not in the middle, not in the right side, not in the left side. So I've told you that this means position of text on a page, either left, center, or right. Example is justifying for neat paragraphs. If you have more than one paragraph here, you just justify those paragraphs to make neat work. Then we have, for instance, I have other words here. Communications, technology, as the of related technologies that help users create, manipulate, or information. Need to use line and paragraph spacing. Line and paragraph spacing, I first highlight, I can press Ctrl A to highlight all the work. I go to font, I go to Home button, I go then to Paragraph dialog box. I may click here, line and paragraph spacing. I may remove space after paragraphs, or I may go for line spacing options. I may justify or align, center. Then I can go to spacing here. I can go to single spacing or to double. I click OK. Even in the preview, you can see when it is double, you are seeing the way it is. When it is multiple, you be seeing the way it is. Then when it is single, you will see that the words are compacted. And if you press OK, you'll be seeing that the words are compacted. If you want to change it, then you go back to line spacing. You change like to 1.5 lines. That is bigger than, or this space is bigger than the single. So, or you can put it double. You can see here, then press OK. So this is used. What the purpose of this line and paragraph spacing is adjusting space between lines or paragraphs. Then example, you can choose 1.5 spacing for school assignments, or for teachers' notes, or for teachers' tests, or active integrations. Then, as you can continue for other future editing features in word processing software, we have bold, italics, and underline. For instance, you need to bold this word. First highlight it. Then you can Control B